Hello friends, welcome to the video. My name is Nima Kian. I do wood carving. So in this video, I want to tell about which type of pencils I use in my pencil tutorial. Because some of friends ask which type of pencil is suitable for this project, and I want to describe my experience in this subject. So we have 5 type of pencils, 5 shape. First one is round. Second one is triangular shape. And third one is hexagonal shape. And carpenter pencil. So we also have a square shape, but I don't have it. So most of pencils you can use it for this project, but except one. Some art pencils not useful for this project, and because, for example, this is a art pencil, general charcoal pencil, because of the core is very thick and there is no wood material. You cannot create a character. But if you see, for this one, the core is very thin and there is lots of wood here, so you can carve a character on it. And also, this is the art pencil Conte, and the core is 4 millimeter. It is very thick, so this is not useful. And this is not useful for carving character also. Rest of it is okay. And sorry, I forget carpenter pencil. Carpenter pencil also is not good for carving characters. You see, there is no lots of wood in the corner. So these are all useful for this project. Triangular shape is very good. I carved the Viking on it. This is Faber-Castell grip pencil, and these are very common brand, very cheap brand, but you can carve on it. So in my tutorial I have 3 video, 1 caricature, 1 wood spirit, and 1 Santa. I also will add Native American character to the tutorial, pencil tutorial. And also I want to talk about which tools I use. I use a detail knife, about 1 centimeter blade detail knife. This is OCC brand. It's very good detail knife, and there is lots of good brands. You can buy whatever you are comfortable with. So I use 1 millimeter number 9 Drake micro gauge, but Drake now don't make these tools anymore. So you can buy a palm version or you can buy Backyard, and there are lots of good micro tools in the market. So you can buy 1mm number 9 and 1mm V tool. This is file, very good tool. And number 5, 3mm from 5. So these 4 tools are enough for pencil wood carving. So, and also I want to tell the how to carve a wood spirit on pencil tutorial, my tutorial, available on Etsy, and you can purchase direct from me. It is very easy project with step-by-step process. You can carve the same character and you can give as a gift for friends or family, or you can sell in eBay and Etsy. So this video is finished here, and I want to tell that please give your tell your experience about pencil wood carving. If you use the specific brand, please share your experience with me. And if you bought my tutorial, please send the finished work of yours so we can talk about it, and I also can share your works in my Instagram and Facebook. So thank you for watching, thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.